Standing on the shoulders of giants doesn't happen overnight. The Fossa football team didn't get to where they are today without hard work and determination. And this is where it all began, in Fossa National School of Excellence, where seeds are planted and talent nurtured.
Welcome to Fossa School. I hope your daughter will be very happy here with us. Everything you need to know about the school is in this booklet. I have a sample here of the uniform to show you.
When will the training regime begin?
The cream of the crop enter our hallowed halls.
It's all in here.
Is there a specific diet plan to be followed?
A firstly, tóga amach for alone.
And embark on the training regime of heroes.
What do you got today? The usual.
Here in this academy of elitism, well-rounded players are mentored.
Clear your mind of all thoughts and just imagine that today is the day. Today is the day you are walking out to the pitch. The audience, the atmosphere is building. Imagine the noise, the excitement. As you pick up the ball, you are ready to win that cup. Bring our hands together and we say, Namaste.
Exceptional standards of academia are attained.
Right so, boys and girls, your homework last night, your hero. A person who really inspires you. And I can't wait to see your projects this morning. Who'd like to go first? So Mark, who did you write about? Up you go.
Michelangelo, miss. The greatest artist of all time.
Next! So Jane, who's your hero? Aren't you?
Martin Luther King, miss. What he did for the American people was...
Yes. Marvellous, fantastic. Siggy shit. Nate, your projects are always good. Up you come.
Wolfgang Amadeus Mozart, miss. The greatest composer of all time.
Oh, sit down, Nate. Does anyone have a good project for me today?
Emmett O'Shea, miss. Still alive and kicking. And boy, is he kicking.
Now we're sucking diesel.
Where football is the focus of every lesson.
Poshy, Kingsport is my live. Kingsport is my live. Agus Capsule Tussa Emma.
Ismail Lampel.
Tussa.
Ismail Lampel.
Agus Andrea.
Ismail Rugby. Tabroner, Ismail Lampel.
Mastering tactics becomes second nature to our pupils.
I'm Mr. Rice and I am your drill instructor. Are you ready to start?
Sir, yes, sir!
The eye of the tiger. From tiny acorns, great oak trees grow. We leave no stone unturned in providing every opportunity to facilitate our players, pupils, in making their dreams come true.